In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix PS5 not connecting to Wi-Fi or internet problem. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, fully shut down your PS5 by unplugging the power cable and any other cables from the back of the console. Then unplug your Wi-Fi router as well and leave both devices off for about 60 seconds. Then plug everything back in, turn them back on, and this alone can fix that connection issue. If it still doesn't work, go to your PS5 home screen and you need to open up settings up in the top right. Open that up and then you need to go down to network, select network, and then select view PlayStation network status or view connection status. That's the exact same thing. It'll take you to a page that looks like this. Make sure everything on here looks correct and then back out and select view service status right after. And this is going to be PlayStation servers. If PlayStation servers are down, this will not work. So obviously make sure PlayStation servers are working. If everything shows online, the problem is most likely your connection. So go back to the network thing, go to settings, and this time go to make sure connect to internet is turned on and then select setup internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is already saved, press the options button on it. And even though I'm using a LAN network right now, say I pressed options, right? I could go ahead and hit forget on it. Go ahead and do that. And you're going to want to reconnect to that Wi-Fi and enter in your password again. If it still won't connect, press options on your network. This time go to advanced settings, scroll down to DNS, go ahead and put those on manual. And for primary, you want to go ahead and put 0.8. And for secondary, switch it to 8.8.4. Those are Google's DNS servers and they load really good. So that should help you. If it's still not working, try 0.1 as the primary and 10.0.1 as the secondary. Then test your connection again. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.